Hey guys, welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead. So today, kind of doing something a little different. I am very excited to be able to share with you my new package that I just got. First, I want to give a huge shout out to my mom, Julie. She gifted me with what's in here, and I am very, very excited to get it and very appreciative of her generous gift and her support in this channel. She has been my biggest supporter when it comes to starting Blended Hearts Homestead and making videos and sharing our tips and tricks with you guys out there. And not only that, she's been my biggest supporter my entire life. She has always stood by my side, and she is my best friend. I am so thankful to have my mom. We have been through some amazing things. Unfortunately, not some great things either. And maybe someday I'll tell you about those. I'm blessed to have her still in my life. I'm grateful to have her still in my life. Again, just so appreciative of everything that she does for me and my family. So Mom, thank you again. I love you so much. So, you guys want to see? Now, as I'm sure you've noticed while watching my videos, the quality is probably less than adequate. It's not bad, you know, it's viewable, but it is on a smartphone. You know, I'm doing my videos just like this one right now on a smartphone. And as I've been researching more on growing my channel, doing more things, getting more ideas, I discovered that I really need to upgrade. So after a lot of research, watching videos on what type of equipment to get for a content creator, reading articles on what type of equipment to get, I finally came to a decision. So now I am unboxing the Nikon Z30 camera. I am extremely excited to check this camera out. And I also got the bundle on Amazon that comes with the Content Creators Accessory Kit. So it also has the tripod and the external mic. So hopefully I'll sound a lot better too while we're doing our videos. So let's see what this baby looks like. Well, as we unbox the Nikon, we open it up. We have our little registration forms and everything. Our USB cable. We have the Nikon strap. The battery, which I'm sure isn't charged yet, so I'll charge that up. The body of the camera comes with a little cap right now to protect it from dust and whatnot. One of the things that I love about this camera is that it has a flip screen. So, and it even flips around. So that way when I am videoing, I can see myself doing so. Very easy, very handy. It's also touchscreen, which is nice as well. And then it comes with the standard lens. This is a 16 to 50 millimeter lens, pretty standard. It's gonna do exactly what I need it to do. And the best part about the Nikon Z30 is it has so much better stabilization than the Sony or the Canon cameras. So when I'm outside walking around, you won't jiggle so much as you're watching it. Hopefully I'm not making anybody nauseous. So it's got the protective cover on the lens that'll actually go right onto the camera body, and then the lens cap as well. So what you do is you take off that cap, take off this cap, and then right here is this little white dot right there, and you're gonna match up those two because there's a little white dot right there. Match up those two onto the camera, and then you slide it until you hear click. There it should be. And then you take off the cap on the end. Good to go. Let's see. And then we have the battery compartment down here. So maybe there's a little bit of juice on this. Not sure. Let's see. slide that in there till it clicks into place. Click it on. Oh, we do have some power. So right now it's asking me for the language. So we're gonna go English. And it wants a time zone. Well, we're definitely not in London. Choice. So I'm gonna say it's the New York, Toronto, Lima time zone. We'll go with that. And then let's set the day, month, and the year. Time is, I don't know what time it is. I'm gonna take a guess. Say that and I'll fix it later. Done. So yeah, so right here on the screen, you can see that little bitty fly red guy down there. That's my battery saying, yeah, I'm low. You need to charge me. So we'll get that charged. But I am excited to get using this. I'm excited to get it all set up, do some settings and check and see what works best for us. All right, let's see what's inside this little box. So we have the Creator's Accessory Kit for the Nikon Z30. In here we got a couple of different boxes. So the first one we have is our video microphone. So this will actually attach to the top of the camera. So one thing I did like about the Nikon Z30 as well is that it has ports on the side here. Your external port is at the top for your mic, right there. And then it also has the ports on the side for HDMI cable and power cable. So what's nice about the battery too with the Nikon Z30 is that I can plug it into the computer and it'll actually charge up for me. So let's see, we'll plug this into the external mic here at the top. And then here is our little microphone, and this is actually called a wind muff. So here's the microphone itself, and then the wind muff for when you're outside, so it muffles the wind, so you don't have to hear all that blowing around. Goes on to that. And then this slides right on top of the camera. Kind of looks a little silly, but hopefully it works good. Let's see what else is in here. We have the remote control for the tripod, and that actually, I can hold on to the remote control and activate the stop-start button while I'm videoing. So that's handy. Very cool. And then here is the tripod and a closed box. All right, this is the Small Rig Tripod Grip 3070. So it's a small tripod. It's meant for a handheld tripod, so I can carry it around as I'm walking around. But here's that little guy. Opens up. You can set it down, or legs stay wherever position you want them in. So that sits in there. Cool. And then this will actually screw onto the bottom of the camera. There you have it. It's quite the little setup, but here we go. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to give this a try. I really hope that I can improve the quality of our videos, the quality of your viewing experience, and continue delivering content to you that you find valuable. We created Blended Hearts Homestead because we really wanted to focus on our family, having the homestead that we have. We really want to be able to deliver content to you, our viewers, that you find valuable, that you find informative, that is helpful, and for some easy tips and tricks on different things to do, different recipes to make, different things to do around the homestead, what having a homestead is like, how having a garden is like, what taking care of the blessings that God has provided us is like. Everything that we have here is a blessing. We are so thankful to our Creator for the farm that we have. And while life isn't always perfect, it definitely isn't always perfect. There's a lot of hard stuff out there. There's a lot of emotional stuff out there. A lot of things you don't see on camera. We really want to deliver to you a place where you can come, grow with us, learn from us, or teach us. please share your comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. We're all in this world together. We're all God's children. And the more we stick together, better off this world will be. And the more we grow together, the more we learn together. You know, once again, and just thank you, Mom. I really appreciate you more than I can ever say. I love you. Mwah. As for everybody else, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please feel free to hit the subscribe button below. I look forward to sharing more videos with you on this lovely little camera. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up sign below. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Hello, Bucky. Hello, Billy. What are we doing down here? I see you, Tilly goat. There you are. Hi, Tilly. Hi, Billy. Hi, Mama. Hi, Bucky. Well, here we are. Got the new camera out, playing around with it. What do you think? Obviously, I'm going to check out the footage later on, and we'll see how the settings and everything are. Might have to play around with those a little bit. You know, all depends on the day, clouds, sun, inside, outside. You know the gist. So, but yeah, I think it's going to work out pretty good. I'm very excited to use it more often and to see what kind of quality we're going to dish out to you viewers. And once again, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. And thanks again, Mom. You are the best. I love you.